How much should you actually spend on glue for plastic car bumpers? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Super Glue XXL Value Size. First up is the ARKA Super Glue XXL Value Size. At $11.99, what caught my attention was its massive 50G supply, which is hard to find in other brands. If you want an all-purpose adhesive that tackles both everyday household repairs and heavy-duty tasks, this is worth a serious look. The bonding power is impressive, engineered for high-performance fixes, which means you can feel confident about repairing not just your car bumpers but also items around the house. It dries clear, so it won't mess up the look of your vehicle, and the rapid drying formula reaches maximum handling in seconds. With a 4.6-star rating from over 19,500 reviews, a lot of people trust it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The anti-clogging precision tip ensures you can apply just the right amount without wasting any glue. Now, some people complained about its full cure time of 3 hours, suggesting it takes too long. Here's the thing though, if you can wait a bit, the bond strength is unbeatable, making it well worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you frequently tackle DIY projects and want a reliable adhesive. Skip this one if you need an instant fix and can't wait for it to fully set. Quick value for money comment: you're getting a lot of glue for the price, which is a win. Now, if ARKA's cure time bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Waldo Clean Super Glue. Next up is the Waldo Clean Super Glue for cars, priced at just $7.49. This caught my attention because it's specifically designed for automotive use. If you need a strong adhesive for exterior trim and bumpers, this one deserves your attention. The heat-resistant and waterproof formula is a game changer. It can withstand sun, rain, and even the heat from your engine. It cures in seconds without needing clamps or heat, which is perfect if you're in a hurry. With a 4.5-star rating from over 16,500 reviews, it's clear that many users have found success with it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It bonds to a wide range of materials like ABS and vinyl, so it can tackle many repairs you might encounter. But some users mention that it's a bit tricky to apply precisely. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and follow the instructions, you can achieve a strong bond without making a mess. This is perfect for you if you're looking to fix car badges or mirrors quickly. Skip this one if you need something for indoor use or more delicate items. At this price point, it's a solid investment for your car repairs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more hands-on repair. Product number 3, ATOLS Plastic Welder. Now let's talk about the ATOLS upgraded plastic welder priced at $19.99. This product caught my eye because it's not just glue, it's a full plastic welding kit. If you want to tackle serious bumper repairs yourself, this is worth a serious look. This plastic welder can repair 98% of plastics on the market, making it incredibly versatile. It heats up quickly and allows you to melt staples into the plastic, creating a solid bond that you just can't get from glue alone. Plus, it comes with 1,000 staples, which means you won't run out anytime soon. With a 4.6-star rating from over 3,400 reviews, it's a trusted choice for many DIYers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The strong hold can withstand shocks and twists, making it perfect for automotive repairs. However, some users found the process took a bit of practice to master. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the results can be far superior to using traditional glue. This is perfect for you if you're serious about DIY auto repairs and want a long-lasting solution. Skip this one if you're just looking for a quick fix solution, as it does require a bit of skill. For the price, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to repair multiple plastic items. Now, if you're not into welding and prefer a quick solution, the next product is definitely for you. Product number 4, KRAFTPROTZ Automotive Super Glue Gel. The next product is the KRAFTPROTZ Automotive Super Glue Gel, priced at $13.99. This stood out to me because it's specifically designed for automotive applications with a no-drip formula. If you need something that stays put on vertical surfaces, this is worth considering. It's engineered to withstand vibrations and temperature changes, so it holds up under the stresses of driving. With a 4.6-star rating from over 664 reviews, many users have found it reliable. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can handle exposure to oil and heat, which is crucial for items under the hood. But some users reported that the application tip can get clogged after multiple uses. Here's the thing though, if you keep it clean, you can use it repeatedly without issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a quick and clean adhesive for car repairs. Skip this one if you're dealing with larger areas that might require a different type of adhesive. For the price, you're getting a great product that makes repairs easier. Finally, let's look at our last option, which is a classic must-have for many DIY enthusiasts. Product number 5, Loctite Super Glue Ultra Gel Control. Last but certainly not least, we have the Loctite Super Glue Ultra Gel Control at just $3.29. What caught my eye here is the price and its well-reviewed formula. If you're on a budget but still need a reliable adhesive, this is definitely worth a look. The rubber-toughened formula means it can resist impact and shock, which is essential for automotive applications. The no-drip design allows for clean applications on vertical surfaces, so you won't have to deal with a mess. With a 4.6-star rating from over 21,600 reviews, it's a solid go-to for many. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It dries clear and can be used on various materials, making it great for both car repairs and crafts. Now, some people mention that it doesn't hold as strongly on heavier items. Here's the thing though, for lightweight applications and quick fixes, it's perfect and super budget-friendly. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, quick-fix solution for small parts. Skip this one if you're looking for something to tackle heavy-duty repairs. You really can't go wrong with the value here. So to sum it all up, we've seen the ARKA Super Glue for heavy-duty repairs, Woldo Clean for fast automotive fixes, the ATOLS Plastic Welder for long-lasting solutions, KRAFTPROTZ for clean gel applications, and Loctite for budget-friendly options. Each has its strengths, so think about your specific needs before making a decision.